G'day folks, I'm Max Taylor and I am the editor of Caravan World magazine. Regular readers and viewers would know Ruby. She's my 80 series Landcruiser. I'm at Safari Snorkels in Croydon, Victoria, and Ruby's here to get fitted with a brand new snorkel. So let's do it.
Benefits of fitting a Safari snorkel is that we're raising the air intake and delivering a lot cleaner, cooler air into the engine, especially with towing a caravan out on the open highway, getting that lovely clean air going into the air cleaner and then helping the engine breathe. The snorkels are rotationally moulded in a plant in Dandenong, and the air rams are also manufactured in Melbourne as well. The process of fitting a snorkel could be a DIY guy having a crack at it himself if they're confident with using large hand tools, power tools, hole saws. Basically, the hole through the main guard area is 90mm plus on most vehicles. Then just the basic hand tools that you'd find in a garage. The kit's quite comprehensive in what's packaged. The instructions are quite clear, so the DIY guy can have a crack. The company's been around for 25 plus years, family owned business. We've got a range of 150 plus snorkels. Step one with fitting a snorkel, removing componentry like the air filter, inner guard liners, mud flaps, indicators if they're in the way of the fitment, placing the template onto the guard panel of the vehicle, marking all the required holes, referring back to the instructions and starting to drill the right size holes in your guard.
So as you can see, Dean from Safari is he's just drilled a few big holes in the side of my car and now he's filing them off, deburring them. To be honest, when I saw him going at it with a drill, wasn't sure how I felt about that.
The snorkel body onto the car, making sure you're happy with how it's fitting, marking your A-pillar, deburring all your holes, painting all your holes to prevent rust, and then go ahead with the fitment of the snorkel.
Well, they say clothes maketh the man. In this case, it's the snorkel that maketh the tow vehicle. Doesn't it look fantastic? I am absolutely really pleased. Well, there you have it. One Safari snorkel ticked off the list, and doesn't it look fantastic? I'm really happy. Guys, the list of things that I want to do to Ruby, it's getting shorter and shorter. But knowing me, I'll always be doing something in my garage. So stay tuned, keep your eye out on the magazine, on the website of course, and we'll see what we get up to next with this old girl. See you next time.